Hello dear kids, now today we will sing a beautiful and new poem, Magic Seeds. So look on the screen, look, listen, sing and A. I found a tiny little seed, I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside and planted it outside. Almost at once it started, almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide, to grow up tall and wide. Sprouted leaves from everywhere, it is sprouted leaves from everywhere, it is sprouted leaves from everywhere, and soon become quite big, and soon become quite big. I'm not sure what is it. I'm not sure what it is at. Apples, peas or figs. Up apples, peas or figs. No matter how it turn out, no matter how it turn out, I know that it will be, I know that it will be my own completely special, my own completely special, something or other tree, something or other tree. Look and say, magic. मैजिक कहते हैं प्यारे बच्चों जादू को. सीड यानी बीज. फाउंड मिलना. स्प्राउटेड. आउटसाइड. लीव्स. ग्रो. प्लांटेड. peas, figs, special and everywhere.